We're here with head coach Matt Holtz, and we're doing this inside because Coach Holtz got doused with a bucket full of ice water. But Coach, first win in program history. I mean, a long time coming. This team has worked hard. You and your coaching staff has worked hard. So I know, you're just feeling excited right now.
Yeah, we're pretty excited. It's been a long time coming. We've been working really hard. The kids have been working really hard, and I think just today we outlasted them. And they got to give credit to Presbyterian. They came out and played hard, but I think we just had a little bit more on the tanks at the end.
Coach, everyone knows that so far this year, Joel Matthews has really been the offensive force. But this year, you got contributions. Ladle starting off the game, and Tyler starts 5 goals. So I mean, be able to get just another freshman stepping up 5 goals. That's got to feel great.
Absolutely. We know everybody's going to key on Joel, and Joel's going to get his 1 or 2. And I think he had 1 or 2 today, and got his assist now. He's starting to keep his head up and find guys on the backside. And fortunately for us, they were keen on Joel. They were sliding early, and the guy that they were sliding from was Tyler. And Tyler did a great job finishing. He had a couple that he could have finished even more. He could have had 2 or 3 more.
Defensively, your team was able to turn Presbyterian over a lot, and you got great goalie play today from AJ Lavelle.
Yeah, defensively we looked good at times and we didn't look good at times. But fortunately the offense put enough in. We wanted to keep them under 10, but it happens. So we got to go get back to work. We got to get back into the conference schedule right after this.
Well, say how long do you get to celebrate this, or do you go right into looking at film at VMI tonight?
I will take an hour or 2 here. Maybe go eat something, and then we're right back to breaking down film. We got VMI on Saturday.
So, Coach, congratulations.
Thanks.